Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on the Vivo Y29 to free up space. If you are having not enough space and now you want to get more space to clear cache files in your Vivo Y29, so let's see how can do this. You just have to install a third-party application for this. You just have to go to Play Store, go to search, and just search for CC Cleaner in your phone and you have to install this application. Now you can see I have already installed it, so I'm going to open it. Just tap on open and it will be open in your device. And after that it will clear all the cache files in phone. Here you can see that I have 46% use space and free up space is with 69.5. You just have to tap on this one and it will clear all the cache files of your device. It has 4.3 ratings, so it's best, and you can easily use this without any confusion. So that's how you can easily clear all the cache files on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.